Welcome back. Now also in your print area, you're also going to have some separate print settings. And these are going to be pretty important because you're typically going to be turning your Excel document into a PDF file. And so because of that, you're going to be delivering this to someone digitally and you want it to make sense to them, and you can control that by controlling your print settings. So for example, one of the things you can do is you can decide whether or not you're going to print the entire workbook, or whether or not you're going to print your active sheet, or you're only going to print a certain selection. You can also ignore the print area that you set up when you do your printing. So you have those options available to you when you print your Excel document. You can decide that each document and worksheet will have its own numbering system, or you can have it printed so that it's uncorrelated. Now again, you can determine what the orientation is going to be when you print it. For example, if you want to print on landscape mode, you can do that. If you want to keep the portrait mode, you can do that also. And then you can redetermine the margins and the scaling in this area. And you can do that so that all of the columns are going to fit on one page, or all the rows are going to fit on one page, or you're going to fit the entire document so that people can see it all on one page. So again, these are going to be important factors when you determine how you're going to have your file digitized. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.